Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in first house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs, magnetism, growth and fertility, need to touch, unabated and conscious. Fluid rules, commodity relations, sailing, brewing, nursing, trade people and the general public. Where you found the Moon in the chart shows where you are for emotional ups and downs. First house, tell about, irony. It show, beginnings appearance outlook of life physical body personality. Natural sign is Aries. Natural ruler is Mars. Keyword is identity. First house is a house of life. Quality is angular. General. The cusp of the first house is the ascendant or call rising sign. First house, and in particular the ascendant, shows personality, natural disposition, tendencies, individuality. It shows how people see you and the way you want others to see you. It represents physical body, health and early childhood years. It shows approach to life, worldly outlook, appearance, bearing and the beginnings of all enterprises. Moon in first house. Keyword is environmental. You live emotionally, sensitive and fickle, and everything depends on how you feel, so you tend to be moody. The Moon placed in house 1 of your birth chart shows that changing fortunes can happen throughout your life when you seek the stimulation of different homes, industries and environments. You are quite ambitious and like to be in the limelight, especially when you feel comfortable in a public situation. In general, you are famous and loved because others react to your openness. You are a sensitive person, influenced by the feelings of others, responding with warmth and true affection. You can succeed with the public once you overcome your basic shyness. Your recognized need makes you feel satisfied and frustrated if you feel that your efforts are not appreciated. You have a close mother-son relationship, and if the Moon combined with Uranus, it could bring you a complication. Your imagination is very strong, and you are very sensitive to your surroundings. You are physically active, and if your Moon is in a cardinal or mutated sign, it can cause restlessness. If your Moon belongs to Aries, Capricorn, Libra, Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, or Gemini, you may be more timid and less inclined to public life. You have the ability to be flexible and like to change. However, if your Moon is a Taurus, Scorpio, Lion or Aquarius, you will be less flexible and may face more difficulties with changing circumstances in life. You like public appearances, especially regarding your work. You are a sensitive individual and high awareness. This sensitivity also applies to certain foods, chemicals or drugs, and it is important that you find a way to protect yourself from receiving the psychological content of others, which really can make you unwell. Bottling your emotions, on the other hand, can make you sick. You may be more susceptible to psychological illnesses, most likely when you're feeling uncomfortable and unable to pinpoint the reason for any discomfort. Wearing a moonstone can help balance your hormone levels. Rest when you feel it is necessary. Sometimes you may need to withdraw from the world to recover. You can reach for food when you feel sad, in an effort to fill your emotions. As a result, you may be more likely to gain weight from edema, or simply overeat. Try to eat sensibly. Include fresh fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water and do not eat too much salt. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of potassium and can greatly assist when there is too much sodium in your system. It is also an appetite suppressant. Make sure you have enough B vitamins, which will support your physical system to handle emotional and psychological content. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.